guys, Johan here. If you follow us on Instagram, you'll be familiar with this Range Rover Sport. We did a full 2-stage correction on this car. We did a ceramic coating, we detailed the interior. Well, the car's back for a deep maintenance clean as well as the interior detail. Okay guys, the Range Rover is done. We did a deep clean on it. We detailed the interior. The car looks absolutely badass. This has got to be the best looking Range Rover I've ever seen.